In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $50,230 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you new affiliate service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm gonna share with you everything I know about Pinterest affiliate marketing and how we can start with $0 without investing any money or without buying any courses. This will be free course YouTube video that you just need to watch and go and copy and paste my method to start making some money like this. I have been doing this business for over 2 years. It's a profitable affiliate business that I am working on, as you can see, and as you can see in my balance over here, it's showing 50,230 in commission using free traffic without investing any money. This is all profit. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to this business and they want to start, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do next, you will come to this page and you will scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community, click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down and let me show you commission plan. Okay, because they are really paying a lot of money. This is the best profitable affiliate business you can start. As you can see over here, commission plan, you can see over here they are really paying a lot of money. It's up to $150 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $150, as you can see over here. And if you scroll down, you can see the other commission plan for CPA for those services. For example, graphic and design, you can earn $50 for those services. Data science, mobile apps, website development, $40 for those services. That's a lot of money. Okay, just two people will buy this service about graphic and design from your affiliate link, and here you go, you are making $100. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, let's go back to this website to show you. Click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here and you need to choose your country, choose your language over here, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, click on the search for Pinterest manager. Okay, why I choose this service? Because people who are using Pinterest and they have a big account, they will be interested to get Pinterest manager for those accounts. Okay, so that's why I choose this service. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. Okay, so for example, let's choose good seller pin and manage Pinterest by using, okay, let me see. I think this one is good. I will manage Pinterest account with SEO optimized. Okay, this one is good. Level 2 seller, I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this person has 22 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service and a lot of people are interested. So as you can see, of course, people who are buying this service, they have Pinterest account. Okay, so that's why they are buying this service. And as you can see, 22 people are already paying for this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this profile link and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and it's gonna take you to this page. Click over here and put this profile seller link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, and make sure to open a Pinterest business account, not personal account. You need a business account. Click on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page. As you can see, what you need to do is you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down. This is his picture. Click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, click save image, manager. I'm gonna name it manager pin, for example. Save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture like this, and your picture will be like this. Okay, so what you will do, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to this profile page on Fiverr, okay, and copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, you can use those information, title, description. Go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part to show you. Go back to Pinterest, put this description here like this. Scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here, and go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Okay, it's easy and simple like this. And scroll down, click on choose board, and if you are new, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. So I already have a lot, I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, those are very important on Pinterest. So go back to this profile page on Fiverr, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down like this, and you should see related tags. Okay, so I will copy those keywords and go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here. So I'm gonna use this one, marketing, and they will go back, they will copy Pinterest management, like this, and they will go back copy Pinterest marketing. So make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, you should use a lot of keywords. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, your Fiverr affiliate link will be published on Pinterest, and people who has a lot of they have a big Pinterest account, they will be looking for a manager to manage their Pinterest account, and this service will be interesting for those people. Okay, so that's why I choose this one. This was one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. And by the way guys, if you have a new account on Pinterest, make sure to post just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day and stay consistent. Promote a lot of affiliate links so your chance to get commission will be high. Okay, and see you in my next video.